What up, what up, what up, gang? It's your boy L7. We in this thing. And it's another day. We're up here at AutoZone. As you guys can see, you know the stripes when you see them. We're up here at AutoZone. I'm actually up here to get some oil for my car. But while I'm up here, I want to show you guys the paint I'm gonna get. And I might just get it today. I might as well just get it today since I'm up here. But yeah, that's what's going on today, right now. And yeah, we about to go off in AutoZone. Alrighty, let's go see what they got. Oh, quick shot of the Benz. I can't flip the camera. There's the Benz right there. There she is. Good, good. She just got a wash. We up here AutoZone. Let's go check it out. See what they got. See what they got off in here, man. There's some background.
Hey there, what can I do for you?
Hello. I need a quart of oil for Mercedes Benz E550.
E550 Mercedes Benz.
2010.
Sorry. There you go.
Said E350, right?
E550.
Well, it looks like it's gonna be OW20. Don't know how much of that we do actually have though.
I really just need one quart.
So I got the high mileage STP right here. That'll be the cheapest option. Also, if it's not high mileage, got the OW20 right there as well. Oh, my bad.
Sorry.
I have it in valve rings. Looks like I got a bunch of restock. Awesome. I also have a mobile one.
Oh yeah, I used mobile. I think I used mobile one last.
Just give me all if you have any more questions.
All right. What's this? Action. So check it out, guys. This is what we gotta get. I'm just getting a quart right now because she really about to go to the shop and get service done, get everything done. So I don't need too much. Yeah, I think that's. Oh yeah. The paint. So last time when I sprayed my grill, I used plastic dip, and it worked pretty well. Actually, I liked how it worked on the back. I don't see no plastic dip, but yeah, it worked pretty well on the back. Like I said, on the front, I sprayed 6 coats on the front and the back, and the back is actually still on there. I gotta show you guys it actually. Show you guys the back, and the front didn't last very long because of course it's the front. You know, rocks and bugs and everything. But I know this time for sure I gotta spray at least 10 coats and a protective coat, 2 or 3 protective coats. I don't see the dang paint. Where's it? It's just peel off. Peel coat. That's not plastic dip. I want to use plastic dip, but that's what I used last time. You know, see it. I don't see it. Let's keep looking. Maybe somewhere else, but I doubt it. Let's keep looking. Yeah, man, the plastic dip should have been over there. It's not over there. Look one more time, make sure I ain't tripping. I know y'all seeing this, right? Y'all see no plastic dip. No plastic dip unless they change the can, but I don't think so. It's a blue can. Nah, it's not up here. Anyways, let's see what is up here. I see they got shut this down. Shut it down. Let's see, they got this. Interior, exterior durability, blue chrome. That's just paint though, it don't peel off. So I need that peel off. So I need my shit to go back to regular. This, let's see. This peel coat, peelable rubber coating. Now this is like plastic dip, but I ain't never used this before, so I don't want to just spend a bunch of money on this. And I ain't never used it. I need to go ask them at the front. Excuse me.
So,
Do y'all have plastic dip? I didn't see it over here. Oh dang, there
I
we go.
don't know why,
Wow.
but it's over here for some
Wow,
reason.
okay. Well, look at this, guys. It's not even. It's way over here. This is like accessories. Way over here. Yeah, guys. This is what I was talking about. All right, here is the plastic dip. This is what I used last time. Flexible, protective rubber coating. Yeah, sure, it's a plastic dip. So comment, guys. You guys comment down below if you guys use this before. Or if you use this before, let me know what you guys think. Which one you guys like better. I haven't used this yet, so I don't know if I want to go with plastic dip or not. No plastic dip, I like it because I used it before. I don't know. This is a graphite. Only I can see the pearl in that. Kind of like that versus this matte. This is what the paint is gonna look like. It's gonna be matte like that. It's gonna be matte, just like that. If I use this one, it's gonna be graphite, the gloss on it. We'll see. I'm gonna think on it. Go watch the videos. Watch the videos on this. See if some people use this before I make my decision. I always do your research, guys, if I make a decision. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Next video should be us, prepping, getting ready to set up the paint. And yeah, you guys stay tuned. Ooh, what is this vinyl wrap? Well, I ain't seen this yet either. Oh, that's the same thing, I guess. Same company. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to check this stuff out before I do plastic dip this time. Cause plastic dip is cool, but if that's better, then I need to know it's better, so we can get a better look, better feel. better durability, all that good stuff. They got wheel paint up here, plastic paint, enamel paint, engine paint, caliper paint, vinyl fabric specialty coating for the inside. Y'all see that? Ideal, used for dashboards, door panels, center console trims, seats. So you can spray. I guess we spray your stuff. That's cool. Yes. But yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Anyway, yeah, we're here, guys. Stay tuned. We'll be doing some stuff to the Benz next time. You got a lot. Where's that? What I just do with the oil? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. See you guys soon. Alright, one more update for y'all. Gonna be putting some tint on the Benz this year. We riding fishbowl for a minute and done riding fishbowl. So yeah, we're gonna put some tint. I haven't decided if I want to do chrome or black tint yet. I think I want to go chrome now. And yeah, we'll be going chrome, so stay tuned for that too. Alright, so I made it outside with the oil, about to pop the hood. And I don't think it's that hot right now. Should be good. Let me see. That thing is dusty up under there, boy. It ain't never been clean. We gonna get that. We gonna get that right though. We gonna get that right soon. We gonna get it right soon. That shit getting hot. It's kinda hot. Oh. Yeah. I don't think I can get it off right now without burning myself. Yeah, look at that. Dusty. It's all good. I'm gonna put the oil in later on tonight. Let it cool off. Look at that. Let's put a smudge on there. A stupid smudge. Whoa. Dusty engine bay. That thing dusty. Wipe my hands. Put this stuff up. But yeah, man. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me. I'm right here in 71st and AutoZone. It's the closest AutoZone to me. And they got the shit I need. So we up here. Want a little walk. Let's do a little walk around the Benz right quick. Little walk around. She clean, never clean. It just rained. She's still clean. Look at it. She's still clean. Just nah, she really need to be. She ain't that clean. She ain't that clean. Some dirt down there. Let's cover that water. Oh yeah, I meant to show y'all this. So I sprayed this like 7 years ago. Literally. Sprayed this 7 years ago. Look at it, still on there good. Just a little chip right there, but back here, still on there good. This too, look, sprayed that. Now this is why, I'm gonna show y'all, this is why I gotta respray it. Because of this. Y'all see that? It's coming up. It's coming up. So we gotta, I don't know if I'm gonna take this off and respray it. I don't really think I need to. I could really probably just give it a fresh coat, actually. Get a little fresh coat. Seal that thing up, and it'll be good. Then we definitely gonna respray that. And then also this time, I'm gonna try to delete all the chrome this time and spray all of this, all these chrome pieces right here on the door and down there. See, I already blacked out the side markers. I painted them like 6 years ago too. That's still on there good. Like, look at that. That's plastic dip, y'all. That's plastic dip. That is plastic dip. Still on. Oh, what the heck done happened to my light? It's coming off. No, how did that happen? Like, wow. Anyways, it's still on there good. Fuck me. Anyways, like I was saying, that's plastic dip. Now I'm gonna show y'all on the other side. I got into a wreck and the collision people fixed my car and they repainted the other side. So the other side is a little lighter, and I'm gonna show y'all. Now this is not plastic dip. That is paint. That is paint. And it's lighter. You can actually, on this side, you can actually see the orange through the black, because it's not matte. It's just black paint. It's just black paint. On this side, it's matte. That thick matte plastic dip paint with texture. You see the texture. That's how you know that thing thick paint. That thing been on there about 6 years now. Yes, sir. Still looking good. So that's why I like plastic dip. I don't really want to do the other brand. I don't even know what that is. Never seen that. Never heard of it. But I'm still check it out. You never know what you're missing till you check something out. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. Look at that. Ooh, look at that grill. So this is what we paint. We paint this grill to black. I had it black before. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the emblem on the hood. I didn't do that last time, so I think I kind of want to do it this time. Yeah, I just might paint it this time. I ain't painted last time, so we just might do that. That'll be hard, actually. That'll be hard. But last time, so I had all of this black, and I left this emblem out, and left this emblem out. So if I paint this emblem this time, I don't know if I'm gonna leave this one out or just paint over it. I don't know. This is gonna be a hard decision. That's what we think about. That's what is gonna happen. Anyway, I'm just talking shit, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for what's coming. Gang in it, big gang.